Hey, what's up guys? It's Supreme Tay here, and I'm back with a restoration video. I felt like we were doing too much of the fashion talk, so it's time to get back to the sneakers, back where the video originally started. So today I'm going to be restoring this 2012 Obsidian 12s. They're pretty beat and condition, had them for a very long time. There's a lot of scuffs and everything. They need to be repainted, the 23 on the back and all that. It's a pretty dope shoe and all. I need to get to wear them again, so I have to restore them this time. Today I'm gonna be using Angelus French blue paint, some paint brushes, and 40 volume cream for the soles. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that the clean and the cleanup is all done, I'm gonna start touching up where the paint scuffs and everything is. So let's get on that. And I'm gonna be using Angelus French blue paint for this. So yeah, let's get into it. So the full repaint from all the scuffs and everything is finally done. Check it out. It's looking pretty clean. No more scuffs or nothing. It's pretty dope. Alright, now last but not least, we need to do the midsole and the soles. So they're pretty yellow. I'm gonna be using 40 volume cream and a paintbrush to apply it. So let's get into that. So I'm done with the first shoe. Check it out. It came out real clean, real nice, and everything. Still have to put some shoelaces in, and that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna get started with the second shoe. I finished up the second shoe. Check it out. They're both looking clean. Nice. So yeah, last thing you gotta do is lace them up, and then that'll be it for this restoration. So yeah, that's it for this restoration. I'm done with these. They came out really nice and everything. So I'm gonna probably do more like these in the future, so keep a lookout for that. Don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.